Hello. Spencer has the hiccups. He gets them quite a lot. Oh, there was one. I don't think he knows quite what to do. They don't seem to bother him a lot. He just kind of sits there and just kind of deals with it. Oh, there is a good smile. That was a good smile and a wave. Are you smiling there, big boy? Oh, there's another one. Oh, yay. Well, these hiccups, they just must be agreeing with you pretty good. You seem to kind of like them, I guess. Yeah? That, and he likes sitting in his boppy, which he's in it again. We've realized that that's kind of a good thing. Isn't it? It keeps him in his spot, doesn't it? Yes. It keeps him in his spot. And he likes it. And then there's Daddy.
Hi, boys and girls.
He's home. You gonna smile because Daddy's home?
Of course
Come
he
on.
is.
Come on, give
Why
me.
would you smile when you see me?
There's another one.
We got smiles.
We got lots of smiles.
Smiles.
And then there. Oh, now he's like, well, who's that?
Hi.
Who's that guy? He's been gone all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm here now.
There. Look at that guy. Well, he don't know what to.
Woo.
Oh.
Hiccup.
Oh goodness.
I'm a sugar mama.
Oh. And there's Newman.
I'm a sugar mama.
He's happy to see Daddy.
Baby, I'm a sugar mama.
Oh goodness, now we're getting a little crazy. Now we're getting a little crazy. He don't know what the heck be going on. Oh.
I found the check.
Oh, well that's good. Daddy thought he lost something and then he found it. That's wonderful. And now Newman has his ball and wants to play. Oh, I don't think we're... Is that funny? Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
We got chili cooking?
Yes.
Sweet.
That is so funny. Well, that was a very good video. There's some very good smiles. You want to say bye-bye to everybody?
Goodbye.
Oh, that's so cute. It's so cute with your smiles. It makes it hard for Mama to stop. Okay, we're gonna give you a big kisses. Oh, you so cute. Okay, well we say say bye-bye to everybody. We still have the hiccups, but that's okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, see you later. We love everybody. Bye-bye.